everyone, welcome back to How to Do Phones. Another day, another helpful video. In this video, I'll show you how you can make your alarm alert louder on iPhone. Before we start, make sure to click subscribe and hit the notification button to see our newest video. First, go to settings and then open Face ID and passcode. Scroll down to attention aware features and toggle off this one and try setting your alarm to check the sound, and you're done. If the video was helpful, please leave us a thumbs up and a comment down below.